एक्शन घेवपाक पावल मारलें. पूण हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी सॅड केस. हांव नको ह्या लोकांनी कितें पाप केलां आनी असले त्रास जावपाक. जस्ट 1 मिनिट. फक्त 15 स्टाफ आशिल्ले, जे स्टाफ फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान घेतलोले, जे स्टाफ फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान काम करताले आनी जे स्टाफाक गव्हर्मेंटान ट्रान्सफर केले BFDन. आतां 15तले 2 स्टाफ परतून घेतले फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान. 2 स्टाफ रावन रिटायर जाले. 3 स्टाफ रागान रिजायन जाले. 1 स्टाफ मेलो, संवसार सोडून गेलो. आनी आतां उलय म्हणटाय ते फकत 7 स्टाफ. 7 members who were earlier taken by the fisheries department. They were working on the fisheries department. They were permanent employees. They are transferred to BFDA. Now BFDA is not functioning for the last 15-20 years. Honorable Chief Minister assured, I hope this Chief Minister will honor the assurance of the earlier Chief Minister. The Fisheries Minister had assured, I hope this Fisheries Minister will honor the assurance given by the earlier minister. There are altogether 42 BFDA staff, out of which 7 were taken directly by the Fisheries Department, balance were taken by BFDA. Government has assured that they would be rehabilitated. Honorable Minister, हांव नको कित्या लागून एक उलटे, पण हांव जाणा तुमी तरी न्याय दितले. You will look at this with a human face. These people are not getting the pay. They are not getting their new scales. They are totally neglected. Sometimes they get pay after 2 months, 3 months. And I'm sure the word given by the earlier Chief Minister will be honored by you. And these people will get some justice at the end of the day. There are 2 categories of staff here. One category, they were recruited by the Fisheries Department. They were altogether 15. Out of 15, 2 has been transferred back. 2 have retired, 3 has resigned, Eklo Melo expired, 7 ulle. These 7 did not volunteer to go there. These 7 staff were the permanent employees of Fisheries Department. They were forcibly transferred there. Now this is another thing. The second category of staff were recruited by BFDA themselves. Now the first category, Honorable the then Chief Minister, after hearing me, and you also have replied, I have got your reply here, wherein you have said the proposal is already decided to recruit them, to absorb them. So at least in memory of the former Chief Minister when he had said it, and at least with all the humanity, at least these 7, I सांगितलं तुमकां 8 जाण गेले, एकलो संसार सोडून गेलो, 3 जाण रिजायन जाले, 2 जाण रिटायर जाले, 2 जाण ट्रान्सफर जाले. हे 7 उलय ते तरी तेम घेयाय तुमी डिपार्टमेंटान. And another thing, don't say, because I get a little upset. It's not your time. Earlier there were 80 posts in the Fisheries Department, and government took directly 80 people when these people were idle. Government could have taken these people and then taken the balance. Think सरकारा पयशे घेवपाक जाय आसले ते कोडे.
Because sir, the government is a continuous process.
Speaker sir, O सभागृह पवित्र, आणि हे सभागृहांत जेन्ना आश्वासन येताय ती पूर्ण करपा जाय. हो प्रश्न जो आहा हांवें ह्या विधानसभेंत 3 फावटी हाडला. हो प्रश्न जो आहा तो फिशरीज मिनिस्टराक 2 फावट बरयला आनी आदल्या मुखेलमंत्र्याकूय 1 फावट बरयला. आनीक एवरी टायम म्हाका सांगपाक दिसता की मंत्र्यान आश्वासन दिल्लें आनी लास्ट आश्वासन, yes sir, the proposal has been moved to the Personnel Department for absorption of BFDA staff in the government service. फाटले खेपेक जेन्ना हांवें प्रश्न विचारलो आदले मुखेलमंत्री स्वर्गेश पर्रीकारान म्हाका रिप्लाय दिल्लो की हे जे लोक जे BFD आहा तांकां एब्जॉर्व करतलो म्हणून. आतां मुद्दम हांव जाणा हो फिशरीज मिनिस्टर एक्शन घेतलो म्हणून, कित्याक आदले फिशरीज